gonna show you the exclusive opening of the newest 5-star hotel in Moscow. 270 rooms, Marriott Imperial Plaza. If you ever want to have a party or the conference, this is the area where you can have your coffee break or reception. And now we're gonna see the Imperial Hall itself. Let's go to the banquet. 1,000 people is the capacity of this Imperial Hall. It's got own elevator. We can bring your own equipment up here. Yeah, I'd like to have a party here one day maybe. We are at the restaurant now, the place where you're gonna have your breakfast, all you can eat, full buffet. It's delicious. In addition to the banquet hall, there is also 8 conference rooms. So if you want to have a training maybe or to do something here, that's the place to organize it. Like any quality 5-star hotel, Marriott Imperial Plaza has its own gym with the weights, with the running platforms, with some yoga mats. Yeah, whatever you want to do, guys, you can do here. Now the most interesting thing, we're gonna see the room. Super excited, let's go. Huge plasma TV, tea and coffee facilities. Oh my god, and design, I'd like to get such a design in my house. By the way, designers of these hotels are sisters Sundukovs, who are experienced hotelier designers. They designed quite a few hotels in Russia, and I think they've done a pretty good job, guys. It's such a big bed. It's like 2 beds, but I think 4 people can stay in all of them. I'm in executive now, and it's got 2 rooms, same 12th floor. Let's go check out the bedroom now. Electronic device where you can control the temperature. Round mirror where the ladies can do their makeup before going out in Moscow. And one of my favorite things which I really want in my house is a tropical shower. Who like can book an executive room, get the complimentary access to executive lunch with free drinks, with free food throughout the day. Wow, I imagine how beautiful it is during a night when everything, the whole city is highlighted. You can see the Ostankino Tower, one of the tallest structures in the world. We are in the great room. It's simply a lobby, but the entire great room is divided in a few separate areas. There is a co-working space. There is an area to have a drink afterwards, coffee or cocktails. And of course, if you want to grab some food, you can do it in great room. This beautiful wall made from 16 type of different wood. I'm gonna have some coffee now, and I'm gonna say goodbye to you guys. And if you enjoyed this video, then don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel. And if you wish to come to Moscow, why not to stay in the newest 5-star property in the city, Moscow, Marriott Imperial Plaza. Thanks for watching, I'll see you in the next video.